Alright, so good morning. So yeah, upon the farm our next day now. Yeah, have a lot of stuff to do. You know what I mean? Yeah. So for today, see me can get some hill dig out and plant them out. Yeah, and I want whole leaf so they're manageable and stuff. Try see me get some stick cut as well and stick some yam wood kind of run up and down. You know, at least get something just so them not up on the ground. You know, at least. Is that only power if you go on? Remember, you know, Storm come, Melissa come, she leave with the wicked and thing. You understand? But before me get into the whole work mode and thing, me not can know food like that, you know. Me don't go have what to cook. One kind of wet, but you gonna make fire anyway. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is to prepare a place. Right? That's the first thing you want to do. Mash it even though. Anyways, make me keep it one little place. As I said, the ground wet and thing. So make ways. So I set up fire bed right here. So as much dry stick and prang and sort of something I can just set up a little fire bed there. Thank God me have a dry tangerine tree so I can get some like a prang off and thing there. Yeah. Alright. As many little fine brown as you can find. A little thorn. The Jamaican people, Maka. He juke me. A little thorn, he juke me. And, you know, that's a basic something. Like farmers, we go through that regular. And that, I go scrape them no man. For some people, oh my god, you gotta go to the hospital. Ah, which hospital? Go do what? No sir. Yeah, but if I don't look so bad, see there, take time I go on, you know, so I go and shackle up and thing, you know, and you know, push the momentum or whatever it is. Yeah. Start some work. Alright, so me know I let the fire there go and build up himself. Make we get some lemonade make up now. Yeah. So I already have the sugar in the water and the ice night and thing. I just pick some lime up there so. Yeah. So yeah. We have some lime. The lime them even ready so fully yet, but you know. Just say it right you know. There's even juice now in some of them. So there go. Some people, you know, this is what that's unhygienic or whatever term be. This not hygienic any at all, you know. It's not right. You're supposed to wash your hands. What them call clean master out there is not necessarily clean. Because yes, you kill bacteria, but what about the bacteria that you need? You ever think about that? We don't care. Mix the lime with all it, the skin same way, everything in the seat there. Alright, so we go give it a little shake up here now. Vitamin C and everything. Nice up. So refreshing. So the fire there, it'll go and build right now. Build up good. So guess what? You go see me put on the pot, yeah? So what you look up at here now? And go some boofs, and go some buffs. And go some now you're full of people, so if you ever slide and drop a kilo today. Oh, put on today. Right. Yeah man, and that's how we start him off, you know. Give him a little fun, you know, and good. Alright, that is it. That is it. Getting a little fun now. More wood for the fire, you know? Yes. And that is it for now. So in the meanwhile, I'll see if we go and weed some grass and thing. till him ready. So now a couple minutes time, because you know see a bushfire and thing, wood fire and you go blaze easy. Yeah, so even though the time cold, so to the time cold now, you know blaze so fast, you know, but yeah man, little and little heat up the ground and thing. And then yeah, so we're gonna just deal with that little place here, so you understand, for match up back with them couple hill there. And yeah. Alright, so here rain a Jew right here now, and the water boil. Me no care. Me have to peel the back of that. Well, no rain not tap me. You crazy. Wash off your hand there. Alright. You need yourself. Hold up. Father God, hold up there, you know. If you cook, I want to keep down this so I go shelter, you know. If the rain come down any harder. Now me alone. I'm not be craving today, so I just cook one piece of yam. One piece of yam make you. That's all I'm cooking. One piece of yam and 2 cocoa. 2 cocoa, you know. Rain, easy yourself, easy yourself, easy yourself, easy yourself. We 2 plant leaf and banana leaf. And cover a pot, if anything. Cause this now stop my pot today. The rain can't stop my pot, you're mad. Alright. Went and come back. Just cut it in a 2. Cut it again. Yeah. Salt. Oh, bite me. I don't know if I pepper and stand close or something, you know. It's all damn near me. Rinse like that. Just put it on the pot. Right, just so now, make it go and boil, you know. Good food that, you know. Good food that. Good food that, man. Bet you never know. Oh, I'm putting this salt in the pot. Right. That. Now you gotta got 2.5 teeth. I'm bad up so yummy, you see me? Alright, so food cook. I'm gonna go bust off for one. Yo, this is them England soup here, you know. It is. Them say it's a sardine. Yeah, I'm say a sardine, but it more like it come like jam, like mackerel out here, and you have the sauce and everything. Sardines in sauce. Then my man, I use not iron, I use it. That's how it is. See there? Yeah. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Just like that. Yeah. Give that a couple of minutes. Anyway, yam food. See it there? Yam cocoa and some cabbage. That the pan fire same man. But we bust the cook gas now. This is one corner. And bust on gas. I tell you about the pot water, you know. Pot water a good something. Look at this. Who wants some? Who wants some? See that? Where? Where the pot cover here? But you know? Look at there. Bush life. So go. Alright, so the rain is falling. Right? I'm start drop out some head. See? Yeah, so I'm dig out a little place. I'm start drop out some head now. The rain come down. So, you know, I don't have waterproof food, you know. I don't. Alright, so rain a fall, but plant them out. Yeah. That's the most important thing. Plant them out and thing. So right now, me have to go for my yard. My work here is done today. Yes, my work is done. I go to my yard right now, see? So, peace out.